Did you know you can actually make money online? Yeah, that's right. All you need is a computer or phone with internet access. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 legit ways to make money online, some of which can generate passive income. You can even make over $100 a day with some of these methods. And the best part? You don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job. You can do this in your free time. There are two main ways to make money online: active income. You get paid for the work you do, just like a regular job. Passive income. You do the work once and keep earning over time. Let's dive in. 1. Upwork. Best for freelancers. Upwork is a marketplace for freelancers where businesses post projects like writing, video editing, graphic design, and programming. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and start earning. Pro tip: a strong profile with past work and testimonials increases your chances of landing gigs. 2. YouTube. Best for content creators. YouTube is still one of the best platforms to make money, but monetization rules have changed. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days to join the YouTube Partner Program. Earn through ads, brand deals, memberships, and affiliate marketing. Longer videos are higher revenue. 3. Amazon money-making methods. Best for anyone. Amazon offers multiple income streams. Amazon Associates promote products and earn commissions. Amazon Kindle Publishing. Sell ebooks for passive income. Amazon FBA Fulfillment by Amazon. Sell products without handling shipping. 4. ClickBank. Best for affiliate marketers. ClickBank allows you to promote digital products and earn up to 75% commissions per sale. Pick a product, share your affiliate link, and earn money when people buy. 5. Flippa. Best for buying and selling digital assets. Flippa is an online marketplace where people buy and sell websites, apps, and e-commerce stores. If you can build and grow a website, you can flip it for a huge profit. 6. Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Best for creators, photographers, designers, musicians. If you create high-quality images, music, or videos, you can upload them to Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and earn passive income every time someone downloads your work. 7. Rover, US and Canada only. Best for pet lovers. Love dogs? Rover lets you get paid to pet sit or walk dogs. You can earn $80 to $100 per night just by taking care of a pet. 8. Take lessons. Best for teachers and instructors. Take lessons lets you teach languages, music, coding, fitness, and more. Set your rates and earn by teaching students online. 9. Fiverr. Best for freelancers. Fiverr allows you to sell services like logo design, video editing, SEO, voiceovers, and more, starting at $5. Some top freelancers make $10,000 plus per month. 10. Dropshipping. Shopify plus AliExpress. Best for entrepreneurs. Dropshipping lets you sell products online without handling inventory. You create a store, list products, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. High profit margins, but requires good marketing skills. Making money online is real and possible, but it requires effort. Pick a method that suits you. Stay consistent and keep learning. Comment below which method you're excited to try. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. See you in the next video. Blast off.